In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a static release of the arch of your foot using a massage or lacrosse ball. So what I'm going to do firstly is show you the 3 points in which I'm going to be putting the ball for every 3 points of this static release. So the first point that I'm going to be doing is right at the top here, so just underneath the forefoot. The second point is the midfoot, and then finally just above the heel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the ball down and I'm going to place just underneath my forefoot on the ball. I'm then going to press into the ball, so I'm applying pressure into the ball, and then from here my toes point down. If you want even more release through this, you can do this in a standing position. However, if that's a bit too abrasive, just stick with this position we're in currently. Once 30 seconds have elapsed, you then go on to the midfoot. Once you've got the midfoot variation, you'll find this probably a little bit more stressful from that first variation. And again, we're going to point the feet down whilst also bringing the foot into the floor. And then once you've done your 30 seconds on this variation, you're going to go just above the heel. And then from here, exactly the same steps. We're going to be pointing the foot down. Again, for the harder variation, you would be standing up and you would be applying the weight of your body weight through, as opposed to just your leg and knee in this example.